Introduction to Google Calendar for Teams.
The Google Calendar is a powerful tool for managing personal schedules and improving team collaboration. By creating and sharing calendars, teams can easily coordinate meetings, deadlines, and events. In this tutorial, you'll learn the essential steps to set up a shared Google Calendar, customize its settings, and effectively collaborate with teammates, all within a user-friendly interface.
Creating a new Google Calendar.
To begin, sign in to your Google account and open Google Calendar. On the left side, find the Other Calendars section and click the plus sign. Select Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a descriptive name, add a short description or location if needed, and click Create Calendar. Your new calendar will now appear in your calendar list.
Sharing your Google Calendar.
Next, make your calendar accessible to your team. Click on your newly created calendar, then choose Settings and Sharing. Under the Share with Specific People section, enter your teammates' email addresses. Set each person's permission level, such as See Only Free or Busy, view all event details, or make changes. Click Send to notify them and grant access.
Customizing permissions and collaboration.
Google Calendar offers flexible permissions. Team members can be allowed to view, edit, or manage your calendar. For example, granting Make Changes and Manage Sharing permissions allows others to add events or invite guests. Adjust these settings anytime to match your collaboration needs and keep your calendar secure.
Tips for effective team coordination.
Enhance coordination by color-coding events for different projects or members, using reminders and enabling email notifications. Encourage your team to use the shared calendar for all relevant events. Regularly review upcoming events together to avoid scheduling conflicts. With these tips, Google Calendar becomes a central hub for efficient team collaboration.